My nose itches. Wonderful. That's gonna be a big to get to. Get so many bugs coming through here. It's gonna be wonderful. This backpack is annoying. I forgot to check see if I had a super wide. I know I got it 60 frames per second right now. The main thing I'm hoping is the mic works good. Like, you can't hear me breathing anymore, but you can still clearly hear me and the bike. It's facing down. The last time I had it like that, it sounded pretty good. I just had my visor open and all sorts of shit was wrong. I'm gonna open the top vent because it is hot. This is where I'm gonna get splattered with bugs, unfortunately. I should have waited for the 360 cam, but I mean, that's what it's made for. Get that dust off of it. That probably looked weird. Matter of fact, let's see. Hey! I hope I got my settings right on the 360. I forgot to check that shit, but I think it's alright. This is kind of just a test of everything. Bad thing is to get this stuff along with the 360 cam and me synced up on that program. And I can't turn my neck because now it's hurting again. It's wonderful. It hit me all of a sudden today. I was like, ah! Like that bump. Ah! I just gotta make sure the microphone's staying in my helmet. I literally hot glued that in. That seemed to work the best though. I put the 3M VHB type shit, the same thing that's holding my DJI Action Pro to my helmet, the chin mount. But that shit came off. It's just whatever this kind of felty-ish material the inside of the helmet's made out of. Nothing was sticking to it. I tried a simple Gorilla Glue, but it was junk Gorilla Glue, so it really didn't work either. It is what it is. I got my music turned down, so every now and then, like, the right side gets a little bit louder just because of the song, whatever it's doing, and holy f***, it scares the hell out of me. I keep thinking it's somebody creeping up on my right side, but there's nobody there. Oh no, it's a chopper! You see the chopper? Oh no, it looks dusty up here. It's the Popo helicopter. Yeah! It's either that or a private helicopter. You coming down, brother? You coming down? See if he makes a turnaround. Oh, it's dusty. Try not to get the camera lens. Okay. Oh, he's going that way. He's going bye-bye. You hit that shit away and I was the last one to know. Hey. I still gotta use this 360 at night. I really want to catch those flames in the back. That's gonna be sweet, especially when I'm like, ooh, that's spicy. Oh, like that one right there at the last second. But you'll actually be able to see what I'm talking about. Oh, that's a bad shift. I need to up the rev limiter or it starts flashing because that's too early. It needs to do it around 10. Because it makes me think I got to switch gears when I really can wait till about 10,000 RPM to switch, especially getting on it. By the way, is it windy? Because it feels windy to me. I don't know why tires do not feel great. is windy. I can't tell. I can't tell if it's just open air being windy or is it actually f***ing windy. Nice little chopper. That thing slammed to the ground. Hell yeah. Alright, we're gonna cut when we get to the gas station because I gotta get fuel and there's a state boy up there. Wonderful. Oh, he's got his stuff on. Everybody's pulling in at the same time. Oh, I forgot my helmet. There, now it's tighter. Felt like it was coming off earlier. This is like a POV of somebody that's really anxious.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Oh, there's another one. Wait, he was just on the other side. Oh, is he waiting for me? He better not be waiting for me. You were getting gas when I got here. You shouldn't still be getting gas. I'm out of this. Say bye-bye. Leave me alone. Oh yeah, we got more weight now. I almost want to air the tires up a little bit more, but I gotta, when I get home, I need to check my air. It is windy. It's not me in my head, it's windy. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh no, I forgot to do my strap in the front for my backpack. Feels like it's gonna fly off. Now I want to get a stop sign. I gotta fix my... Ah! It's flapping. I can see it flapping. Wait, that's my other strap. But my chest strap is flapping. It actually does hold my backpack on a lot better than just sitting on here. Look at that long, snaky strip. Wonder why that state officer changed pumps and then decided to leave right when I left. I don't know. He wasn't dressed. He's just probably driving home. Probably realized his nozzle was on the other side. Well, who knows? I don't know. I think I'm going to drop this backpack off and do a little bit more riding because it's going to be really nice today. And I don't know how much more days we're going to get like this anymore. Just making sure I'm all flustered. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anxiety. Ah! This is going to be interesting with this 360 cam. I'll be able to see what everybody's looking at. Like people, ooh, damn, that's spicy. Because everything that I pass people, I don't see them actually turn around. I see them look, but I don't know exactly what they do. I need this light. Yes. All right, hopefully it stays on just long enough for me to put my backpack on. Oh no. What the f*** wrong with this thing? Alright, there it goes. I felt there for a second. That's just me rushing, I guess. Yeah, it's still not tight. I'm actually warm enough today, or I'm not, it is warm enough today that I don't even need to have the underliner on me, so that's good. What's up, brother? Ooh, that one was spicy. You know, it sucks that everybody said they're going to be riding today. I'm the only one that actually showed up. The rest of them fucking, it's too cold. Yeah, but it's going to be 80 when you leave. Deal with it. Most of you guys are only 10 minutes away from work. I'm an hour. It was like very low 40s, like 41 or 40 degrees. So, you know, wind chill factor on a bike, you're in the 30s for sure. And it was cold, but I properly layered up. I didn't do too much. I didn't want to be hot. The only thing I need to get is cold weather riding gloves, because I just kind of put some knit ones under this where it's stretching my gloves out and it's making them loose. And by the time I got halfway there, I was losing feeling in my fingers. And when I got there, I still had my fingers, but they were definitely turned white. They were frozen. But the rest of me wasn't too bad. I mean, I just had a thin hoodie and my Icon jacket with the liner, and then I just have my jeans. I still need to get some MPT stuff, but you know, it's something. I thought he was gonna swipe his mirror off there for a second. That'd have been bad news bears for him. I'm gonna wipe it off just in case. I don't think I have any blood splatters. No. I don't know. Maybe. I hope I don't. I was gonna wipe it off and check it while I was at the gas station, and I totally forgot. So I'm more normally talking now, so more of that vlogging, motovlogging style. I'm not just riding around having fun. This is kind of like what it'll be like if I'm doing some kind of just subject. Oh, you want me to waddle up there? I'll waddle up there. I'll waddle up there. Hey, we're gonna waddle. 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 I think I triggered Karen. This fucking backpack is annoying. This guy's gonna move up just because I moved up. It'll be alright. Where do we get to go? Music again? The